Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Mihir Electrical Works. Here we are providing all types of washing machine, mixer, micro oven, fridge, fan and all repairing works. We are introducing new services for our valuable customers from Mihir Electrical Works. So Mihir Electrical Works presents free service card. In this free service card, if you are interested to register with us, we are providing three type of facilities. First is for 3 months, it's called QMC, means quarterly maintenance charges, and it is only 300 rupees. And if you are registered with us for 6 months, it's called HMC, means half yearly maintenance charges, it's only 500 rupees. And if you are interested with 1 year, so it is called AMC, means annual maintenance charges, and it's only 1000 rupees. With this service card you can enjoy our free services like washing machine, micro oven, fridge, mixer, fan, oven, deep freezer, home theater, induction cooker. Only these good service charge is free, and you have to pay only for spare parts, not for service charge. Service charge is totally free with these goods. If you are interested to take our services, please contact us. And these services are we are providing for only Vishakhapatnam city holder, those who are living in Vishakhapatnam city, Andhra Pradesh. Only we are providing for this city only. So thank you for watching this video. Wow.